Hello viewers, this is Coding Maverick and today we are going to solve another problem that developers are facing nowadays from Google Play Console, and that is compliance of Android apps with minimum requirement of Android 15 API level 35. If we do not upgrade our apps according to Google policy, that might be removed from the Play Store. So today I will guide you step by step on how to upgrade your app to API level 35. So stay tuned, and before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel so you do not miss out more helpful videos like this in future. Alright viewers, let's get started. Viewers, I will walk through 10 simple and practical steps that will make your app fully compliant with Google latest Android 15 requirement. Each step is easy to follow even if you are not very experienced with Gradle and Android configurations. Minimum tools and their versions you will need for are as follows. First, Target SDK, Compile SDK 35 for Android 15. Next, Android Gradle plugin 8.6.1 or newer. Gradle REPL 8.7, JDK, Java 17, Android Studio Cola feature drop. It should be Android Studio 2024.1.2 or newer. So viewers, to upgrade the Target SDK, go to Settings, Languages and Frameworks, then Android SDK, and over here you will select Android 15 Vanilla Ice Cream. Viewers, you can see that I have already upgraded it to Android 15, but if you do not, click the checkbox and you will see on the left side there is a download button. You click on that and the Android 15 will be downloaded. But as I have already downloaded, so I will just apply it and press OK. In the next step, I will upgrade Android Gradle plugin. If you have older project of Flutter, then you will go to Android build.gradle file, and in build script you will add dependencies tag, and in every dependency tag you will add class path with the name com.android.tools.build Gradle 8.6.1, and similarly for the class path JetBrains Kotlin Gradle plugin 1.9.20. And if you have new template of Flutter project, then you will go to settings.gradle file and you will add plugin with the name com.android.application version 8.6.1 apply false, and JetBrains Kotlin.android version 1.9.20 apply false. Now we will upgrade Gradle wrapper file with minimum 8.7-all. We will check the Java version of our machine, and if it is less than Java 17, then we will upgrade it to Java 17. Now viewers, we will verify the Android Studio version. For API level 35, the minimum Android Studio version should be Android Studio Koala feature drop 2024. So if you have the lower version of Android Studio, upgrade it to Android Studio Koala feature drop. It is recommended that you upgrade your Flutter SDK to the latest one, but for API level 35, you may upgrade it to Flutter 3.24. Now it's time to install or update Android SDK build tool 35 and Android SDK command line tool to the latest one. You may do this by going to settings and SDK tools or through SDK manager command in your terminal. You have to set the terminal path to the bin folder of command line tools. Minimum SDK is optional. You may change it as per your requirement. Now we will verify all the settings through SDK manager commands about Android 35 platform, build tools and platform tools. We will also verify it through SDK manager SDK tools tab. Now we will build the application and will verify the target SDK of the build APK through dump command. Viewers, now the application is compliant to API level 35 and is ready to be deployed on Google Play Store. Viewers, I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, it in comment section. I will help you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Coding Maverick.